So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener. So first, you need to access your Dexscreener account on dexscreener.com on your web browser, and after that, make sure that you already have your Phantom account or Phantom wallet extension on your web browser as well. And if you want to connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener, here's the step-by-step process. So basically, when you logged in on your Dexscreener, you will see below the gear icon, which is represented by this. It is the settings. So once you click on that, you will see under my account the signed in with Google, sign in with Apple, and connect wallet. You just have to click on the connect wallet, and under the connect a wallet, if your Phantom or Phantom wallet is already installed or extended on your web browser, it should look like this. You just have to click on the Phantom since we are going to link or connect this one to the Dexscreener. Just click on the connect for it to connect on the Dexscreener, and it should be linked on your account already. And that's how you link or connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener.